eyes. For no say blood clot. Look how me see dog, me just see Van, him can't believe I she seen a dog. You know them way there? People will see me and happy for see me. And then we go down and then you go say, dog, mommy or bro, you know, me just see up there so bam so Vani. I wonder who should they go to or who for link she have. Or who link with Vani. You know them way they might not mean that you know. But in my way, it's dangerous. You understand what I say? They might see me and happy and say, yeah, dog, we just survived, I can't believe first time I see her, blah, blah, blah. And then it will go to the wrong person ears because me I tell you the truth. Right now, if me go up the road and me see Cardi B and me reaching in my yard, me I call my mother, me I say, mommy, bum back, me just see Cardi B up the road. And me I call my friend Samantha, me I say, Samantha, you know, say me just see Cardi B up the road. And me I call Trigger, and me I tell Trigger, say, yo, just see Cardi. And me I call my man, and me I say, Neil, me just see Cardi B up the road. So I saw it go. And I saw news spread till it reached the wrong person ears where you're not supposed to reach, and then you get fucked. You understand? So them good all spread it, say, yo, just Ivany, happy for see me and thing, but deep down your brother then I say, why are you dangerous for me? Because I would have reached the wrong smart days when I like me, when I want to see me alive, but there go everything. You understand what I'm saying? So, I know everybody have a mean your arm, but still, you can't. Me, traumatized. Me go through all the things. I'm go through it 2 times. So I'm supposed to be traumatized. If me go through it 1 time, with the shock you get, but I understand. But then remember, you know, people come back on me hard. They did come back. And it's not even 1 this time, 2. And you know what? Them never drive this time, they walked. And I never done a mega mart, it happened this time. It happened out of my yard. That even say out of my yard. And my door for show you how close to my head when I lay to the door for show you how close to the door. The door. Why if me never ring trigger? From about the days upon the live with you now. Cause let me tell you. My mother and everybody else say, actually I win so much competition, people just want rob you. Alright, what come with rob? What come with rob? What come with rob? Actually I never talk about it on live, you know. When the incident did that. I did talk about it, but I never tell you the full story. Because I never want to cause down no more eyes for me. Because I tell you, sometimes people we forget about things, you know. Sometimes people will forget about things, and the moment you start talk about it, it open back up their mind to start think back. You understand what I'm saying? That's if I'm not going to explain myself no more. Just cut that topic there. So guys, what's going on? I'm put on my phone now, wait. Yeah man, anybody come for a bad date? Worse me? Me. Who would I really come? Who would I really come for rob me and hurt me? And them are going to say, and Vani say, oh, maybe Vani. I go up on live, go say, I don't know now. And it's just the truth, you know. Me, the master blood clot for this mad years. No, they would have said, sure. Just rob she and gone, because she don't know we don't know she, but Vani, we are going to tell her our broski them what go on. Vani, we are going to come on IG. Well, that them think more like I move so much, we go on IG. We go say, oh, do that. Then you are going to use the shit up on IG. Blood clot, I send my man a message and show me and him in a malice. I send him 2 messages. I send him 1 on IG and 1 on WhatsApp. And true, I never want to look soft like me to text him first. I never want to text him first. So I unsend them off of IG and forgot to unsend the one them in a WhatsApp. So I just reply. I never want to text first. I swear to God, I never want to text first. Never want to text it. Do that. Shit. Oh, I don't remember if I unsend that one up. Now the boy I feel like the soft. I can't do it with a bitch now. Fucking girl, I can't keep malice. Shit, I'm doing myself. I'm sure you. But then one, you know, one piece of Malaysia. That's truth. You know how long the Malaysia going for? The Malaysia going for about almost 2 weeks and hard. I'm decide to say, ooh, man, nah text that boy. Me, nah text him. Blood clot. There goes. I him that me say. I forgot to unsend the message out of WhatsApp. So I see it. No, I can't do still. I can't just see it. We can see it. We still are going with those people. It's like I think that now. We just see that message there. We can't come back to me question. So we just go see that now and show him and what the boss. So when I go walking away, WhatsApp now, I see that message and when I reply to what I say, I just see him. Just don't understand. Don't care. And I go text back again and see him again and I will continue. Show him say get on the stuff. Oh me? Let's see if we get one dildo. You understand? You know, say all I go on a bed, but no one bed. You can see me walk up and down, so, but I go take a shower. Me a chat to know what a bed, me no want bed, you know. You know how long I have them jazz, huh? Some pussy so start scratch me. Some pussy tea, now my pussy fat. Full of chat, I'm not take it back. Full of chat, I'm not take it back. Queen in me near mommy not shot. Full of X and no summer. Full of chat, I'm not. Me a man clone. I know the boy talk to me, I did. Come like, but just easy for pretend. But just easy for pretend. But mama, me a yammed. Me? Then people no soon come for me when I go pretend. Oh, I'm gonna do my makeup tutorial on live. Full of chat, I'm not take it back. Yeah, me? But for man enough time, you know, me do that to them. Boy left me. I said, Jesus Christ. You know, so I feel like something is wrong with me. Right now, if me left me, I have nobody to turn to, you know. I don't have nobody. You know how long one of the time I not even remember of a kiss. You know what I mean? That's so weird. I never remember of a kiss. I never just fall in love. Which mature big man want me in them like? That man says me a crackhead. One man tell me to van him and roll it to my heart. But I can't. But I love you. I tell the body, I'm feel shame, I say, I'm not nice, I always want a little, you know, a little something. I always want a little something, man. The man ever tell me, say, him can, because me crack. Me left me enough time, I true, I don't know, Don't Neil innocent there. Neil do innocent. You don't want to know me, you don't want to know my pussy. Imagine if my pussy just shot me, that shot my phone and I'm blind on a bumble. That's all I want to know for you to say. Try the fuck Barney. You think it, that's just you think that alone you would have to tell people them say you fuck Barney. Me personally would have got dig down some disease and when you can boast say, oh, my fuck Vanny. I can't say my fucking shot in your ass, so I joke. I mean, because I'm something for myself. First thing I believe in sex in condoms. Let Neil tell you, me and Neil never fuck without condom because I don't know who Neil fuck out the road and I don't. I'm gonna still alive and vex. I don't give a fuck, but I don't fuck guys raw because them there would have fuck and you don't know who them a fuck condom go to bus and he feel like say, alright, let's go take a look at one pill and come back. When deep down to blood clot, you know, see a shot, you get shot on their ass, you know? Oh, still there. You get shot in your ass hole. And then you remember say you as a man you get shot. You not gonna know same time, you know. And then you come home to good me. Then you gonna come home to good me and fuck me around. Then she let have something on you and you come let off on me when I fuck on you and me with the other way on you come home. You come home to me with disease. Boy, you gotta go. You gotta go. Believe me, so when I will come live and say you shot me for true. Cause nobody feel like me I will go up on live and say, you know say that boy they infected, you know say that boy they infected, I say that boy they shot me, so be careful I'm talking of me and my experience. That boy shots me. That boy shots me, kills me, nearly kills me. I had to go and life protect him from something another. I almost lose my life, girl. As some I come on strong, come tell the people them face if you might safety, you know. And if you not do them local things there. And if you stay far from them local drama there, you use protection, my man. I'm not about my man, no. Cause me fuck with condom. But don't know where more fuck with that condom if more want breathe. Because alright, they know condom raw, ready to breathe. That's the day I will have sex with condom without condom. Not saying me never used to make a no. I will fuck me in a condom, man. Not even the girl where you love or the man where you love you can't trust. And you know me teach you something. Man, I'm a panty shield from my crush. Man, you wanna know why I'm putting on panty shield? Come period I done. That's just it. So for all work, I think so run. Yes, it's running out what's left after the period. That's just it. So you see? This is for all of you. You can't stay there. Sometimes you well want fucking on without condom and them thing there, you know. Sometimes you well want fuck without condom and them thing there. And you well want fuck the girl and all the girl that tell you know. I feel you want blood clot good too. The girl could have something and I want you catch it, you know what I mean? Me a clean girl, nobody can talk to me. Cause hey, watch it now. Nobody can talk to my little vagina, but we make sure if you tell me step. And my panties are very small. Yes, they are. But make sure if you tell me which way I right really. Make sure if you tell me see. Get scissors for what? I don't need no scissors, alright, that's what I pluck it them. Right on the top there. See? That's it. Yeah, I can read it in the comment. So whether my crutches want to leak or not, I have to wear my panty sheet. So if my man feel like my crutches are leak, is either you stay with the leaking crutches or you go. Any one of them you choose. Sometimes you see I don't like you know. I really don't like someone. I really don't understand. I go bed, man. Don't worry about that, man. Bed. How much I start while I go? Sometimes the man. Sometimes the man, one time when I beg on a woman for fuck and she don't want to fuck you, she's thinking about your heart, you know. She don't want to shut your heart, sir. You must feel about, yeah, ready. You know, ready to fuck me with all kinds of how yeah, but smelly breathing, I want to fuck. You go give me the pussy, you know, I want me feel how it feel raw. Well, you know, want to fuck me with all kinds of. Sir, because I don't want shot in your ass, that is why. I don't want to hear, that is why. I love you. And I don't want you to catch nothing, I don't want to shot you, or maybe I have something, you know, we don't know. So, might be you just keep your fucking self calm and continue to use condoms. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes I don't know think, but sometimes the woman get infected on this one. You know? Nobody come think of me talk about, you know. But those not have the money right now. If you go breed me go buy no money after fill up 5 bills and no 1 gram. I don't have the money there. I don't have it. I'm not believing in taking no after birth pills, so called whatever them call it. I believe in bringing the baby. Bring it. And I can't bring nothing in this world because this world me I try save for the debts. You know man? I say, oh, people can't see the world at end and virus and you put up you take up yourself gone fuck and breathe and say yeah. I say woman with her 2 months belly. I say blood clot go there where you did that thing where you did that you never hear the news about going. You can see the world is coming to an end. And you are going to tell me, say you 1 month and 2 months breathing. You're not ready for this part of life, yeah? Me? I never cocky more. So I'm frustrated in the house, not even cocky more. I don't want cocky, not even food, them things I even want more than I just want to see everything I get better so I can go outside. And my life I got any now. So, whoo. Now for what I be, thank God my chat out and blood. I joke, man, go bed. But my life is gonna end and I'm gonna save this. Go bed, lock chat.